Students, in last video of Maths 1 ratio and proportional, we had seen what is meant by ratio, how to find the ratios of first number to second number to first number. Also, we had seen comparison of ratios in last video. Now, today we will see one more point on ratios, that is operation on equal ratios. We will see operations on equal ratio. What is meant by operations? Here we take the word operation not as it is. We take here operation means property of equal ratios. Such as we take operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division. But in equal ratios, the operations, that is the properties, are different kind. What are the properties of this equal ratio? We will see today. Okay. What is equal ratio? You know. Suppose this is 5 upon 10 and this is 6 upon 12. Here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, means 1 upon 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, means 1 upon 2. These two ratios are equal. We say that the two ratios are equal. We call it as equal ratio. For this we consider here A upon B and C upon D. And what are the different kinds of operation on this equal ratio? There are mainly 5 different operations on this equal ratio. First operation is invertendo. First operation is invertendo. What is meant by invertendo? Here the word inverse. The word inverse says invertendo. आपल्याला वर्ड इन्वर्स झालाय की नाही? इन्वर्स म्हणजे काय लिहितो आपण? व्यस्त, उलट लिहितो का? मीन्स इन्वर्टेंडो. इन दिस इन्वर्टेंडो वी राइट द रेशियोज inverse. We write the ratios as inverse. Okay. How to write the ratios? See, if given ratios are, if we had given A upon B is equal to C upon D, then according to this invertendo, we inverse the ratio. Inverse केला काय होगा? B upon A is equal to D upon C. Okay. By invertendo we write the ratio as inverse. That is B upon A is equal to D upon C. This operation is called as invertendo. आपण रेशो मध्ये बघा कोणतेही ऑपरेशन करत असताना रेशो सेम कधी राहतो? जेव्हा एखाद्यामध्ये एक क्वांटिटी वाढवली तर दुसऱ्यामध्ये पण ती क्वांटिटी वाढवावीच लागणार आहे. तुम्ही दुकानात जाता, वजन करत असता, 1 किलो आपण साखर मागितलं तर 1 किलो साखरला 1 किलो समान दोन्हीकडचे तर पार्ट्या करायला पाहिजे, समान व्हायला पाहिजे. समजा इकडे तुम्ही अर्धा किलोचं वजन वाढवलं तर इकडे अर्धा किलो साखर घातल्यावर ते रेशो काय होणार आहे? सेम होणार आहे ना. तसंच रेशोमध्ये आपण इकडे जे ऑपरेशन करणार आहे ते इकडे पण आपण ते केलं पाहिजे, तरच रेशो काय होणार आहे? तो सेम राहणार आहे, इक्वल राहणार आहे. दिस फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन ऑन इक्वल रेशो थेरम इज इन्वर्टेंडो. इफ A upon B is equal to C upon D, then B upon A is equal to D upon C. Second operation is alternando. मराठीमध्ये याला काय म्हणतो आपण? एकांतर क्रिया. आणि वरच्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? व्यस्त क्रिया, उलट करणे, व्यस्त. Here if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then for alternando we change this. C आणि B याच्यामध्ये आपण चेंज करायचं. म्हणजे काय होईल बघा? A upon C is equal to B upon D. Means here observe A and C are at the numerator. Yes or no? In both this ratio A and C are at the numerator and B and D are at the denominator. Means here we call it as alternando. मराठीमध्ये मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलं? एकांतर क्रिया. एकांतर म्हणजे काय? एका साईडला येणे. इथं बघा न्यूमरेटर एका साईडला आलाय आणि डिनॉमिनेटर एका साईडला आलेला आहे. म्हणून काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? alternando. Okay. Then third operation is componendo. The words are new. You must remember the words also. What is meant by componendo? If A upon B is equal to C upon D, means both these ratios are equal. We take the operation on equal ratios. So these two must be equal ratio must be there. Okay. Then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. Here we call it as componendo. What happens here? See, addition of numerator plus denominator. Numerator and denominator ची addition झाली आणि denominator है कसं ठेवलं आपण? Numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. Componendo मध्ये काय करणार आहे आपण? Numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. Numerator plus denominator divided by denominator. Okay. Fourth one is dividendo. What is meant by dividendo? Here we take addition. In dividendo we take subtraction. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. What is the difference here? In componendo we take addition of numerator and denominator, and in dividendo at the numerator we take subtraction. Denominator as it is, both the cases. Okay. And last one is fifth, componendo dividendo. What is meant by componendo dividendo? If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then componendo मध्ये काय केले आपण? न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनॉमिनेटर डिवाइडेड बाय डिनॉमिनेटर. और डिविडेंडो मध्ये काय केलंय? न्यूमरेटर मायनस डिनॉमिनेटर. पण दोन्ही तर एकत्र ऑपरेशन आहे, कंपोनेंट आणि डिविडेंडो. वी मेक कंपोनेंट at numerator and dividendo at denominator. C plus D upon C minus D. Means here both the operations are there. Componendo dividendo, componendo dividendo. Okay, these five operations are there on equal ratios. First is invertendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then we inverse B upon A is equal to D upon C. Second is alternando. A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A upon B is equal to B upon C, B upon D. Componendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D. Dividendo. A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D. And componendo dividendo. A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. From this you observe, for invertendo इन्व्हर्स आलेला आहे, अल्टरनेटिव्हला अंश एकीकडे आणि छेद एकीकडे आलेला आहे, डिव्हिडंडला ॲडिशन आहे न्यूमरेटर मध्ये. एवढे पॉइंट तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवला तर उदाहरण सोडता येईल तुम्हाला. डिव्हिडंडला न्यूमरेटर मध्ये सबट्रॅक्शन आहे आणि कंपोनेंट डिव्हिडंडला न्यूमरेटर मध्ये ॲडिशन आहे आणि डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये सबट्रॅक्शन आहे. असे पॉइंट हे लक्षात ठेवला तर एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय वापरायचं आहे आपल्याला हे ऑपरेशन मधलं हे तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल. Lakshya, see the first example here. If A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3, then find B upon A and A plus 7B upon 7B. Here we had given A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3. Means this is of the form A upon B is equal to C upon D. हे कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहे? A upon B is equal to C upon D. इथं C upon D च्या ऐवजी काय आले? नंबर्स आलेले आहेत. एवढा चेंज झालाय. ओके. मग आपल्याला पहिलं काय फाइंड करायचंय बघा? B upon A means which operation of this? Which operation? First operation, invertendo. We have to find B upon A means inverse. Okay. So we use the first operation, invertendo. Okay. We had given A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3. It is given. Okay. It is given. We have to find B upon A. B upon A is equal to, what is the inverse of this? 3 upon 5. Which operation we had done? By using invertendo. कोणतं ऑपरेशन आपल्याला ते लिहायचं आहे. फर्स्ट कंप्लीटेड. ओके. नाउ सेकंड सी. A plus 7b upon 7b. Here what you observe? Which operation is here? In numerator addition is there. So which operation of this? Component, right? Okay. Component of we have to use. Okay. But component of which numbers? A and 7b. Component of A and 7b. But here we had given A and B. We had given A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3. We had given. Not there 7. Okay. So here we had coefficient of B as 7. आपल्याला काय पाहिजे? कोएफिशिएंट B चा 7 पाहिजे ना. म्हणून आपण याला 7 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहे. ह्याला 7 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे काय? B ला 7 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे काय? 1 upon 7 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं म्हणजे काय बघा? 1 upon 7 आणि इथं पण 1 upon 7. आपण ह्या A upon B ला कितीने मल्टिप्लाय केलाय? 1 upon 7. का केले कळलं का? Here 7b. We want 7b. In numerator b is there. Therefore we multiply by 1 upon 7, not by 7. 7 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं की काय तयार होणार आहे? 7a होणार आहे. आपल्याला 7b पाहिजे म्हणून आपण कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहे? 1 upon 7. Multiply both sides by 1 upon 7. कितीने मल्टिप्लाय केले आपण? 1 upon 7. Okay. What we get? See here. A into 1, A upon 7b is equal to 5 upon 21. Okay. Understand this step? This step is important. Okay. Now A and 7b comes. A and 7b, and we have to make addition. Means which operation? Component. Now we had become here A and 7b. आता इथं काय झालं? A and 7b झालं का? मग इथं काय करायचं आपण आता? कंपोनेंट. कंपोनेंट केला काय म्हणून बघा? A plus 7b upon 7b. In component we add numerator and denominator. And denominator as it is. आहे तसे होतं का? Here what comes? 5 plus 21 upon 21. By using component. By using component. Okay. Understand this step? Therefore A plus 7b upon 7b is equal to 26 upon 21. This is the final answer. Okay. Understand both the example. Here we find b upon a and a plus 7b upon 7b. Okay. We will take one more example on it. See one more example. If a upon b is equal to 7 upon 4, then find 5a minus b upon b. Here which operation is there? What is the sign here? Minus sign is there, and at the numerator. Therefore, what operation we had done here? Dividendo. We will do the operation dividendo. Okay. Here we had given a upon b is equal to 7 upon 4 given. Now here coefficient of a is 5. Therefore multiply both sides by 5. Okay. Multiply both sides by 5. Means here a upon b as it is, 7 upon 4 as it is. We multiply here by 5. Okay. Because here 5a minus b is there. multiplying both sides by 5. Okay, so what becomes 5a upon b is equal to 5 7s are 35 upon 4. Now we get 5a and b, and we do the operation dividendo. Therefore 5a minus b upon b is equal to 35 minus 4 upon 4 by using dividendo. Okay, so the answer is 5a minus b upon b is equal to 31 upon 4. Okay, understand? Similarly, see the one more example. Here we had given a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Here we have to find, at the numerator there is addition, at the denominator there is subtraction of the same number. Same number चा क्या बघा, a आणि 2b चं addition आहे and 2b चं subtraction आहे. Then which operation is there? Componendo dividendo. Okay, here coefficient of b is 2, therefore multiply both sides by half, right? Multiply both sides by half. You multiply both sides by half here. Okay, right reason, multiplying both sides by half. Okay, so what is the answer? A upon 2b is equal to 7 upon 6. Now you make componendo dividendo. Means componendo means addition, a plus 2b. Dividendo a minus 2b. Componendo 7 plus 6, 7 minus 6 by using componendo dividendo. What is the answer here? 7 plus 6, 13 upon 1 means answer is 13. Or you write 13 upon. Okay, understand? Both the example, understand? We take one or two more example on it. First understand all these example, and then we will take the one more example. Okay. See one more example. If a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, then find a cube minus b cube upon b cube and 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. In the earlier 3 example and this example, there is difference. What is the difference here? Here cubic term are there, okay, and square term are there. But in last 3 example, there is no cubic or square term. So how to find this? We will see. Given that a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, we had given here, okay. Now we have to find cubic term are there, okay. Which operation is here? Which operation is here? Dividend. But dividend of which numbers? A cube and b cube. Cubic term चे काय का dividend आहे का? म्हणजे आपल्याला a आणि b नको आहे, तर काय पाहिजे? a cube आणि b cube पाहिजे. मग काय करणार आपण? Take cube on both sides. Means a cube divided by b cube is equal to 7 cube upon 3 cube. Therefore, a cube upon b cube is equal to 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. How many? 7 7s are 49 into 7. 343 upon 3 cube. 3 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube is 27. Now comes a cube and b cube. A cube and b cube. Okay. Now we use the operation dividendo. A cube minus b cube divided by b cube is equal to 343 minus 27 upon 27 by using dividendo. Okay, understand? First we are given a upon b. We take cube on the both sides, and then by using dividendo we calculate the answer. Therefore, a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to, what is the subtraction? 13 minus 7, 6, 1 and 3 divided by 27. Okay, इधर भाग असेल तर घडवा, भाग होते का बघा, भाग असेल आणि कसं ठेवूया हा. Means value of a cube minus b cube upon b cube is 316 upon 27. Okay. Second we have to find 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. Means here square term is there. We had given c a upon b. Now a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3 given. Okay. Here there is square term. Therefore squaring on both sides. Squaring both sides, a square divided by b square is equal to 7 square 49, 3 square 9. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Okay. Understand up to this? Now here a square coefficient is 2 and b square coefficient is 3. Therefore we must multiply this by how much? Coefficient of a square is 2. We want coefficient of a square 2 and coefficient of b square 3. 2 upon 3. We multiply both sides by 2 upon 3. A square upon b square 49 upon 9. Here we want coefficient of a square 2 and coefficient of b square 3. Therefore we multiply both sides by 2 upon 3. Okay, multiplying both sides by 2 upon 3. Okay, understand why we multiply both sides by 2 upon 3? Okay, therefore 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 98 upon 27. Now we have to make componendo and dividendo. Okay, therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27. Which operation is done? Componendo dividendo by componendo dividendo. Okay. So the answer is 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 125 divided by 71. The answer is 125 upon 71. Okay, understand up to this? Here cubic term is there, so we make cube and then by using dividendo we calculate this. In second there is square term, so first we make square on both sides, and then coefficient of a square is 2 and coefficient of b square is 3. Therefore we multiply by 2 upon 3 on both sides, and then it is here component and dividend. Therefore by using component or dividend we take addition, and at the denominator we take subtraction and calculated the answer. Okay, see last example. If 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7, then find a upon b. We have to find a upon b. आतापर्यंत गणितामध्ये बघा a upon b दिलेला आणि हे काढायचं होतं काय. आता जर उलट झाले काय, given different and we have to find a upon b. So in these cases you remember you may make component and dividend. You make the both procedure component and dividend. For finding a upon b you make the operation component and dividend. So let's start how to find a upon b. 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. It is given. Okay, we have to find the value of a upon b. For this we make component and dividend by component dividend. See what is the component of? We make addition of numerator and denominator at the numerator, and dividend of we make addition and subtraction of numerator and denominator at the denominator. So first this plus this means 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square divided by, is it is component of this plus this, plus sign means it is component of, and same minus sign means dividend, means we use the component of dividend. 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square. Okay, means here see 47 plus 7 upon 47 minus 7. 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square divided by 15a square plus 4b square minus plus minus 15a square minus plus 4b square is equal to, addition is 54 and subtraction is 4. Here you may write bracket लिहायचं. component of dividend करताना एकदा प्लस येणार आहे आणि एकदा मायनस येणार आहे, दोन्ही तर ब्रॅकेट घालत ते चुकणार आहे तुमचं. ही स्टेप झाली. आता इथे काय कॅन्सल तेव्हा 4b square get cancelled, 15a square get cancelled. So what remains here? 15a square plus 15a square. What is 15a square plus 15a square? 30a square. 4b square plus 4b square. 8b square is equal to 54 upon 40. Okay, you may write this as 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10. Means here 15a square upon 4b square, and here 2 2 जा 4 0, 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा means 27 upon 20. Okay, understand up to this step? Now we have to find a square upon b square. We write this as 27 upon 20. 15/14 इकडे घ्या काय होईल 4/15 होईल ना. दिस इज डिवाइडेड बाय मल्टिपल अँड दिस मल्टिपल गेट डिवाइडेड. भाग असेल झाला 4 1 जा 4 4 5 जा 20 3 5 जा 15 3 9 जा 26. Therefore a square upon b square is equal to 9/5 5 जा 25. We get the value of a square upon b square, but we want value of a upon b. Therefore taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both sides, what will get? A upon b is equal to a square root का ना a, b square is a b, 9 is square root 3, 25 is a 5. Therefore value of a upon b is 3/5. Okay, in such type of question you may make the operation componendo dividendo. This step is important. this step slow करायची. तुम्ही चिन्ह व्यवस्थित ऐकली तर यातला एक कॅन्सल होतोय, यातला एक कॅन्सल होतोय आणि आपल्याला a upon b मधला आन्सर मिळतो. लक्षात. So students, today we had seen some operation on equal ratios. You write the all operations, 5 operation in your notebook and solve practice set 4.3, question number 1, 2 and 3. In practice set 4.3, solve question number 1, 2 and 3 at your notebook. Okay, thank you.